हे गाइस, वेलकम टू पीयूष साय व्लॉग्स। तो अभी तक आपने मेरे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किए और आपने कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछा जिसका मैंने आपको जवाब दिया। अब पेश करता हूँ फ्राइडे के बाद एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर क्या करता है।
Okay, so I'm going to connect. Sure. Should I keep my video on, or I should keep, I guess. I had the opportunity to work with two modules, LD and PD modules, loan and deposit and payment due modules, and all the kind of correction routines, or to create some utilities related to LD and PD. I was responsible. R.new function you are seeing, right? Yeah. Data means whatever it read, the data from file, it contains those data, the file from the variable, from the array actually. If we open any file and read the file, R.new contains the file that is being read, and we can just fetch that field number, the value, using value marker, sub value marker. We can fetch those that field, and we can just use it. We can commit somewhere, means we can write somewhere, or we can send it or utilize it. And Komi for tracing properties to just print those variables. And with cloud team I'm working right now, and I have to currently deploy in SIT, UAT and prod area for all the SaaS clients, corrections and many other new functionality like coming through jar, var, EAR, and to test them they are working fine. And that is all I'm doing right now in cloud team. So we have access var, jar, EAR, any class, any compile routine we have to compile, put them into the same jar which it used to be there. And there are cloud packs created for in Azure Explorer. Through Azure Explorer we put those class file or jar in the same location in cloud pack, so that when we restart the VM it will download to its respective location. Now we have a pipeline, so we keep our jar in a folder, in a path which is already configured in a script. For pipeline there is a script written, and library and variables are written, which path the jar should be there. We make sure the jars where the jar is in the environment, and we configure that library. We just check the library and we use the pipeline. We put the jar, we run the pipeline, and we check the environment. We connect to environment and we check the jar has been deployed, and it is also updated in the cloud pack. So it just takes around 30 seconds nowadays to deploy jar. We don't have to manually stop the JVAs, and then how Java wise interaction and Java web services, Java technologies, how to utilize validation routines. We have a field in versions. In versions there is a field input routines and validation routine. That routine name we have to write there. That routine must exist in that environment, in the classes. The class should be there. Every stage, whatever there are functionality accrual has to happen. So the steps of banking functionality, whatever service should run or utility should run during COP, service should run during COP, that order has been written in the service and batch record for the COP. That is my understanding. Accrual should happen during the COP, not during online, because online many transactions are already going on, and this volume of works which will run through a service, that change of data will happen using the service when it runs through using COP. COP is also a service, so that time large volume of data, large transaction happens, so that happens after work hour in bank. So that is understanding. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for your time.